Welcome guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use SAP widget. So open this link, you will find the documentation how to use and how to create. Okay. So for this, first of all, you must have Node.js in your system. So install Node.js in your system, then you can this properties. Okay. So first of all, we have to install this tool in your system. Okay. So go to your system and create any folder where you want to create SAP widget. So create one folder. Now copy this command. Now go to your folder and open command from your current folder where you want to create a what you say you want to create a project. So simply first of all install your SAP widget. So this is only first time. Don't install again and again. You can only install this first time and then you can create multiple project anytime. You don't have to use this command every time. This is only first time. You can only use this command when you want to update the tool. Okay, so this is installed. Now you can simply type SAP widget, check it's installed or not. Press enter. So this is installed. So you will see all information means it's installed. Now we have to create a project. Now how to create a project? You can go down here. You can see here we have one command create. So create command will create your project. Okay. So what I give, I can type SAP widget create, and I will give like my widget. So I'm giving my widget name. Use command SAPWidget create and your widget name. Press enter. It will ask some information. So give your widget name. Give some description like a simple widget. Now give owner name or vendor. Like I'm giving my name. Now give below you can give as blank. Now version you can give. So I'm giving one and license will be MIT. So now widget is created. Now you will see all file here is created. So if you open JS file, you will see all the information, all the name, description, version, properties. So currently we don't have any property and methods. So web components is automatically created. Okay, and you can see other files also like this is main JS file. So you will see like this. You can start whatever you want to do. You can just start Chrome from here in the init main function. If you see builder file, so builder file also have this JavaScript code, so you can also start working on this code whatever you want to do. Okay, so like that you can create a project. Now second option, how to create property. Okay, so if you see in JSON file we don't have any property right now. So how to create a property? Just simply go to command prompt, type SAP widget props. Now give property name, like for example I'm giving color. Okay, it will ask for property name, so this is color only. Description, color input. Now type is it's a string, integer or boolean what. So this is a string. Now value can give default. Now here we can see the get methods. We have set methods and get methods also. So if you want to create a set methods, you can type yes, and if get also you can type yes. So it will create property and all the methods in your JSON file. So if you open JSON file, you will see your property here. You can see your color properties here, and set method is also here, and get method also here. Okay, so now property is created. Now how to test your SAP widget? So for testing, you have to uh, start your SAP widget for testing. So this is the command from the for the testing. Okay, simply go here, type SAP widget start. This is start your property, your widget for testing. Okay, so this is started on your on this server. So here note you can see the open the link and click to continue button to make testing live. Okay, so first of all copy this link, go to your browser, open your link here anywhere. So now you will see one page, so just click on this button. So now you will see hi developer, your widget is ready to test. Now what you can do, now this is ready to test. Now go to your SAP widget, simply go here and add your JSON file here. So here I have created my project and this is the JSON file. Just select and open. After opening, just click on OK. So now see your widget is added here. Now go to your application, create an application, and we can see here how your widget is coming. So go here, go to custom widget, add your widget here. Now you can see your widget is coming here. Now go to designer, so you will see it. So this is builder part and this is your main widget part. So this is what this is. This is this file. In this file, whatever you have written, this will shown here, and whatever you have written in builder, that will shown here. So like that you can create a SAP widget. Okay. So now like that you can test. So you don't have to deploy. You can, for testing purpose, you can use this command only, and you can just normally test your widget. Now second option, how to deploy your SAP widget to your GitHub repository. Now suppose your widget is completed. Now you want to share this widget to your repository. Okay, so what you can do, you can use this command, SAP export. Okay, so what I can go here and I can close this testing. Now I can give SAP widget export. Okay, so export. Now it will give some notes. So it's saying make sure your repository name should be same as the widget name. Okay, example is widget name is color box, then repository name should be color box, case sensitive and without space. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we have to create a repository. Okay, so if you see here, our repository name is my widget. You can see my widget builder. So this is main name of your widget, my widget. Okay, so what you can do, go to your GitHub, create one repository here and give same name whatever the file name are here. So widget name is like my widget. Here I can give simple SAC custom widget. Okay, license I can give anything, MIT or anything, just create. Okay, now your widget is created. What you can do now, now your widget is created, sorry, repository is created. Now go to here. Now just read this document, read this notes, and whatever is saying you can get to your repository. Now go to here and type yes. Okay, now it's asking for enter repository link. Just, so you have created your GitHub repository. Now you just have to copy this link and go to your command prompt and give your GitHub repository link here and press enter. So it's saying congratulations, your is successfully exported. Now upload all files from full folder to your GitHub repository. Okay, so here if you come here, so you will see one folder is created. So here you will see all files come here. Now you can see JSON, you can see some property as updated here, because after exporting this, so it will automatically prepare your JSON as a GitHub from the GitHub use. Okay, so just simply you have to copy this all file to GitHub repository. So now go here, upload files, just simply select all file and drag and drop here. Right. So it's uploading. Okay, it's uploaded. Now commit change. Now see all file are uploaded. Okay, so what we can do now, your SAP widget is published in your GitHub repository. Now just normally go to your, now currently we have installed JSON for testing purpose. Now we can install main JSON, which is we have built. Okay, so I simply delete this. Okay, so now you can download this file. This is the only file which is exported here. So I normally I'm going and selecting this file. Go here, go to build folder, select this, click OK, go to your application. Okay, now go to your custom widget again, select your widget. Now see your widget is loaded here. I think it's showing some other issue. So it's your widget is loaded now. So you can see all your information is coming now. So this all widget is coming from your GitHub repository directly, not from local. It's coming from GitHub repository. So like that you can use export option. So this tool's very useful. If you have some doubt or if you face any issue, just contact me on LinkedIn or mail me. Thank you.